Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create the website without coding. What is a website? A website is a collection of web pages. What is the advantage? You can improve your advertising effectiveness, save money, easy to access, easy to use, improve your productivity, educate your customer, expand your market, expand your local reach. So who are all need to develop the websites? Professionals. You can improve your business in online. Teachers, you can share your information worldwide. Students, show your talent and create your resume online. So now, how to create your own website using Google site without any coding. Let's start. I would like to show you how to create your profile website in online. Just key in Google Sites. It will direct you sites.google.com. Just click and sign in. So this is site.google.com. In this there is different kind of template is available. Just hit the button blank. It will direct you to the website option. You need to drag and drop option is available. In your right hand side corner there is a 3 tabs is available: insert, page and themes. You can choose the theme, whatever theme you want, you can choose the theme. So I am going to choose a simple theme. So if I want to see the preview, you just click the preview button on the top. You can see the preview, what is your page. In this preview button, you can see the mobile preview, you can see the tab preview and laptop preview. Type the name of the page. So I have given Martin Joseph portfolio. So in this title you can give welcome. So if you want to choose image for the header, you can choose the image. Just hit the button upload, just hit image, you can select the image. Automatically the image will adjust to your header. If you want to add the logo, just go there and just click the add logo. You can upload the logo. So this is my logo, this is my web page, Martin Joseph. The header part gets over. Next we are going into the content part. Before the content part, you need to add the footer. Just click the footer and give copyright. So header part and footer part gets over. So how to add the content? Just click insert. There is a different kind of layouts is available. You can choose whatever layout you want and you can enter. If you don't want this kind of layout, just click delete. You can delete the layouts. Just click the layout. If you want to add the photographs, you can add your photographs using upload option. Just click and add. If you want to align your images, you can align the images using drag option. It's an easy step. You need to drag and drop the image. So welcome to my website. I just add my things. So my header and my content and my footer is available. If I want to add more layouts, I can use different kind of layouts is available. Just click the thing and you can add and upload your river. Something you can give. If you want to give description, you can give the description. If you want to add YouTube, you can just click the YouTube and paste the URL. I just copy and paste my URL. Just click the search. Automatically it will display. Just select and click select. Just click insert. You can have the text box here. We can add the text box also. So that's it. You can add the title, whatever you want. You can add the title. So this is a basic format. You can add more layouts. You can add more text, images and YouTube map and slides, sheets, forms is available. You can have a look on this. So how to add the page? In my top, I need to add the pages. Just hit the button pages. There is a home button. This is called for home button. You want to add one more button. Just hit the button. Just click done. So my home page and about me pages is available. This is about me pages. I can add whatever I want. I can insert. Can add the option. Just click text box. So I have two options. One is home button and about button. I just want to see the preview. How to see the preview? Just click, you can see the preview. This is about me page. Just click, this is the home page. Welcome, and my website details and photographs, about page I can check out. So if I want to see in mobile view, I can see the mobile view. This is the menu options is available. I can choose my menu options. So how to publish my website? Just hit the button publish. It will ask you web address. Martin Joseph I gave. So my URL is Google site view/Martin Joseph. So just click publish. It will take few minutes and your website is going to publish. Your site has been published successfully. Just click and view. So this is my page. I can able to send to my friends, they can able to see. So this is an easy step. You can able to create your website without any coding, drag and drop using the site.google.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.